Good morning dear students, welcome to my video. The last video we have learned remainder theorem and factor theorem. What is remainder theorem? By using remainder theorem, we are getting only the remainder when a polynomial is divided by a binomial. You are not getting the quotient, clearly I told that. And by factor theorem, if x minus a is a factor of a given polynomial p of x, then p of a equals 0. This both you have learned and you have done the sum also. Next is what you have learned earlier in last year class, I think, factorization. What is factorization? Just recollect what you have learned last year. Factorization of polynomials is the process of breaking the polynomial into the product of its factors. This is the definition of factorization. Factorization of polynomials is the process of breaking the polynomial into the product of its factors. Just imagine a number, that is, for example, 6. How you will break it into factors? 6 you can write it as 6 ones are 6 and 2 threes are 6 or 3 twos are 6. So which are the factors? 6, 1, 2, 3 are the factors of 6. Same thing is applicable for polynomials also. So last year you have learned the method of splitting the middle term by taking the sum and product from the polynomial. That same thing we are going to continue here. So just we are directly going to the sums only. Exercise 2.4 continued. Fourth main, factorize. First question, 12x square minus 7x plus 1. So which is the sum and which is the product? So sum is, from this polynomial, that middle term's coefficient, that is here it is negative 7, is the sum. What is the product? Product is the 12 and 1 you have to multiply it and write. That is extreme numbers you have to multiply it and write as product. So product is equal to 12 ones are 12. Now sum is minus 7 and product is 12. So two numbers you have to find such that their sum is negative 7 and product is 12. So product, where and all it's coming? 1 12s are 12. But 1 minus 12 is not 7. Then next comes 3 4s are. 3 4s are 12 and 3 plus 4 is 7. So you can take 3 and 4. But signs when you will put, you should be very careful. Sum, you see, it is negative. Sum is negative means greater number of these two will be negative. See here, sum is negative 7. So that sign is negative. So greater number of these will be negative. Now you multiply it and see 3 into minus 4 is minus 12. But here it is positive 12. To get positive 12, you have to put this also negative. So negative into negative is positive. So 3 4s are 12, positive 12. Sum you just see, add and see. Both are negative means you should add it and put greater number sign. So negative 7. So these are the two numbers, minus 3 and minus 4. Now what is the next step? You have to split the middle term and write. So extreme terms, no difference. Minus 7 you have to write it as minus 3x minus 4x. Minus 3x minus 4x. See 7x you have splitted and root. Splitting the middle term. Plus 1, same thing, no change. Now 2 2's you have to collect it. You have to make it as a group. Now making group, this is one group, this is second group. In that common you have to remove it outside. Which is common here? 12 and 3. 3 is common. The smallest number you can take outside. 3. X square and x. X is the smallest one, you can remove it outside. So 3x if it has gone outside means what will be remaining in the first term? That is 12 divided by 3, it is 4. X square divided by x, it is x. Minus 3x completely you have taken here. So remaining will be 1. You don't leave like that, you have to put it as 1. Now this one here, 4x minus 1 you have got inside the bracket. Next one also you have to get 4x minus 1. But here it is minus 4x plus 1. So one negative sign you have to take it outside. Negative alone you can't take it outside. So negative 1 you should take it outside. So one negative it is taken outside means both the signs will change. Minus 4x will change to plus 4x. Plus 1 will change to minus 1. Now these both are same. 4x minus 1, 4x minus 1. This is first term, second term. Both the terms 4x minus 1 is common. So remove that 4x minus 1, you will get 4x minus 1 in common remaining. In the first term 3x is remaining, write that 3x here. Second term, this is full one term, in that minus 1 is remaining. So 3x minus 1. So which are the factors of 12x square minus 7x plus 1? First factor is 4x minus 1. Second factor is 3x minus 1. You are writing it as the product of the factors. If you multiply it, you will get back the polynomial itself. So this is the answer. So this is the method of splitting the middle term and resolving into factors. Second sum, 2x square plus 7x plus 3. Which is the sum and which is the product? Sum means middle terms coefficient, that is positive 7. And product is extreme numbers you have to multiply, 3 2s are 6. Now you have to find two numbers such that their sum is 7 and product is positive 6. Clearly it is 6 into 1, 6 and 6 plus 1, 7. So 6 and 1. Both are positive. Sum is positive, so greater number positive. So 6 into positive 1 only you will get 6. So both are positive numbers. Now what you should do? Split the middle term by using 6 and 1. 2x square plus 6x plus 1x plus 3. So 7x you have splitted as 6x plus 1x. Now 2 2's grouping. Group it. Remove the common factors outside. So 2 and 6, 2 is common, x square and x is common. So 2x is you removed means remaining it is x plus. From 6, 2 you removed. So 6 divided by 2, it is 3. X is already outside, so close the bracket. Next one, this x plus 3 only you should get in the next side also. This term, it is x plus 3 only. So 1 you can take it outside. Nothing to take outside means plus 1 you have to remove it outside. X plus 3. Now x plus 3 is common. So x plus 3 into remaining 2x in the first term plus 1 in the second term. So these are the factors x plus 3 and 2x plus 1. So this is the method of factorization by splitting the middle term. Third sum, 6x square plus 5x minus 6. Sum, product. Sum is positive 5. Product is 6 into minus 6, negative 36. So product is minus 36 and sum is positive 5. Two numbers you have to find. Which are the two numbers? Here 6 6 are 36 you will get, but 6 plus 6 is not 5 or 6 minus 6 is not 5. Next, where it will come? 9 4s are 36 and 9 minus 4 is 5. So 9 and 4 you can take. The sum you have to get either by addition or subtraction. And sum is positive, so greater number positive. Product is negative, so either one number should be negative, that is 4 is negative. So you got the numbers plus 9 and minus 4. Now split the middle term. 6x square plus 9x minus 4x minus 6 plus 5x you have split it to plus 9x minus 4x. Now grouping. These two are two groups. From that group you have to remove the common factor outside. 6 and 9. Which is common here? 6 you can't remove it outside because in 9 6 is not there. So you have to remove 3 outside. So in 6 also 3 is there, 9 also 3 is there. 6 divided by 3 it is 2, 9 divided by 3 it is 3. So 1x also you can remove it outside. So 3x into remaining 6x square by 3x, it is 2x plus 9x divided by 3x plus 3. Now 2x plus 3 only here also you should get. 4 and 6. what common you can take outside? 1, 2 common, you can remove it outside. But both are negative. Here it is positive, so you should get positive only. So take one negative also outside. Negative 2 into remaining 4x divided by 2, it is 2x. 6 divided by 2, it is 3. Since one negative has come outside, both the signs will change. Negative will change to positive, negative will change to positive. Now 2x plus 3 is common. That 2x plus 3 you remove. Remaining you put in the another bracket. 3x minus 2. So 2x plus 3 and 3x minus 2 are the two factors. Next sum is 3x square minus x minus 4. What is sum? What is product? Sum is the middle numbers coefficient, that is minus 1. Product is extreme number, you have to multiply. 3 into minus 4, it is minus 12. So two numbers you have to find. Which are the two numbers? All that multiplication table where 12 is coming, you just see 1 12s are 12, but 12 minus 1, 1 will not come. Next comes 2 6 are. 2 minus 6 also, 1 will not come. Next 3 4s are 12 and 3 minus 4, it is negative 1. 3 and 4 are the numbers. Sum is negative, so greater number negative. Product is negative, so one should be negative, other one should be positive. Now split the middle term. 3x square is same only. Middle term 3x and minus 4x. How you will split? 3x square plus 3x minus 4x minus 4. This one no change. Now 2 2's you have to group it. 3x square plus 3x, which is common? 3 is common, 1x is common. So 3x into 3x square divided by 3x, remaining only x is there. Plus 3x divided by 3x, it is 1. Here also negative is common and even 4 also is common. So minus 4 into, both the signs will change because one negative has come outside. Plus x plus 1. Now these both are same. So x plus 1 into remaining 3x minus 4 into 3x minus 4. So x plus 1 is the first factor, 3x minus 4 is the second factor. Product, you will get back the polynomial. So this is the way of factorization. This last year you have already learned how to take sum and product also, splitting middle term also, grouping and taking the common outside also. This is just a revision for you, but this factorization is very important, children. Next topic is algebraic identities. Identities also you have learned last year. How many identities you have learned last year? Do you remember any identities? Yes, you have learned 4 identities. A plus b the whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. A minus b the whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. A plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. And x plus a into x plus b equals x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. These are the identities you have already learned. See here, all the 4 identities I have written. Just recollect all the identities. Identities are very important. And just see here, first identity a plus b the whole square. How many terms are there here? 1, 2, 3. 3 terms are there. Second identity a minus b the whole square. In that also 3 terms are there. A square, second term is minus 2ab, third term is b square. Third identity a plus b into a minus b. There are 2 factors here. Product of 2 factors. You will get only 2 terms, a square and minus b square. So here also 3 terms, here only 2 terms. Next one also product of 2 factors it is. You will get 3 terms. So except that a plus b into a minus b, all the remaining 3 identities also 3 factors are there. Just remember that you have to use it for some few sums. Exercise 2.5, first main. This all you have learned last year. Use suitable identity and find the products. First one is 3x plus 4 into 3x minus 5. See, all that 4 identities you have to memorize that and tell me which identity is useful here for finding this product. 3x same. First two same, 4 and minus 5 different. So that one is x plus a into x plus b. So write that identity which you are going to use. X plus a into x plus b equals x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. So what is here a, x and b? Last year you have written everything clearly. This year no need to write, you can directly find the answer because this is only recollecting your knowledge. So x is 3x, a is 4 and b is minus 5. So how you will get 3x plus 4 into 3x minus 5 equals x square. That means 3x the whole square. When one number and one coefficient it will come, one variable and coefficient will come, you have to put inside the bracket because that square is for 3 also, x also. Other than that, if you just put 3x square, that square is only for x. It is not for 3. So always you have to put inside the bracket. This is the correct way of writing. Plus a plus b. A and b, what it is? 4 plus negative 5 into x. X means 3x. Plus a into b. 4 into minus 5. So that is equal to 3x the whole square. How much it is? 3 square is 9. X square. Then 4 plus negative 5. One is positive, one is negative. Addition of integers. Greater number sign, that is 5 sign is negative. Both different sign means you should subtract. 5 minus 4, it is 1. 1 into 3x. That is 1 into 3x is 3x only. So minus 3x. Now third term, 4 into minus 5. 1 positive, 1 negative. Answer is negative for product. 4 5s are 20. So this is the final answer. So first when you will get the sum, you have to check it which identity you can use and then write the identity there and substitute the values for a, b and x. So this is the process. Second sum, y square plus 3 by 2 into y square minus 3 by 2. By observing this question only you can find that which identity you have to use. A plus b into a minus b. So write that identity first there. A plus b into a minus b equals a square minus b square. So what is a? Y square. What is b? 3 by 2. So y square plus 3 by 2 into y square minus 3 by 2 equals a square means a is y square. A is y square. A square means that one whole square. Minus b is 3 by 2. 3 by 2 whole square. So that is equal to y square whole square means how much? 2 2s are 4. A to the power of m whole to the power of n. Laws of integers also you have learned. A to the power of mn. A to the power of m whole to the power of n is equal to, you have to multiply that. So here also 2 into 2 y to the power of 4 minus 3 by 2 whole square. This square is for 3 also, 2 also. 3 square how much? 9. 2 square how much? 4. So this is the final answer. Hope you understood, children. Next main is evaluate. First sum 103 into 107. You have to split and write 103 and 107 such that you should get either a plus b into a minus b or a minus b into a plus b, like that. And take the round figure as a. So here 103 means you can write it as 100 plus 3. This is the easiest way of splitting. 107 how you will write? Same like that, 100 plus 7. So 100 plus 3 into 100 plus 7. Which identity you can use? Yes, that fourth identity, x plus a into x plus b equals x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. What is x? 100. What is a? 3. What is b? 7. So substitute that value directly. X square means 100 square plus a plus b, that is 3 plus 7 into x 100 plus 3 into 7 If you want to write what is x, what is a and what is b, you can write, no problem. 100 square. How many zeros? Here 2 zeros. When you will take square, 4 zeros. Plus 7 plus 3, 10. So 10 into 100 plus 7 3s are 21 equals 10,000 plus 1000 plus 21. Now all three you have to add it. 10,000, then 1000 plus 21. 1, 2, 0, 1, 1. So that is equal to 11021. 11,021. So this is the way of doing. And if 95 into 96 if it comes means you have to write it as 100 minus 5 and 100 minus 4. So subtraction will come. 104 into 96 means 100 plus 4 is 104. 96 means how you will write? 100 minus 4. So it will change to a plus b into a minus b. Which identity you have to use? You have to see that and use that identity. This also last year you have learned. So no need of explaining much for this. You will be knowing. So you can do that. Next main is third main. Factorize using suitable identities. First one is 9x square plus 6xy plus y square. Here three terms are there. So actually this one identity is right hand side portion it's given as question. You have to find the LHS left hand side. So in right hand side I told you before only there are three terms means chances are there a plus b the whole square can come, a minus b the whole square can come and x plus a into x plus b can come. Because there is two terms means only a plus b and a minus b chance is there. So here both are positive, everything is positive. And extreme numbers you see 9x square, 9 is a perfect square, x square obviously it's a perfect square and also y square also is a perfect square. So extreme two terms are perfect squares and all two signs are positive only. So this is in the form if extreme are square numbers then a plus b the whole square or a minus b the whole square only possibility. Since both are positive, so it will be always a plus b the whole square equals a square plus 2ab plus b square. So RHS is given here in the question. You have to convert to LHS. So what is a and what is b you have to find. Then you can complete the LHS by substituting a value and b value. So here comparing with this you just see this both. A square is equal to 9x square. What is b square? We don't want to see that middle term, you just leave that. B square is equal to y square. If a square is 9x square, what is a? Square root of 9 also, square root of x square also you should take. Square root of 9 is 3. X square, square root is x. B is equal to, b square is y square, b is equal to y. So a and b you got. Now LHS you have to complete. So what is the answer? 3x a plus b the whole square plus y the whole square. So this is the answer. So three terms are given means possibility of a plus b the whole square, a minus b the whole square and x plus a into x plus b. These three only. If extremes are square, perfect squares, then a plus b the whole square or a minus b the whole square only will come. In that all positive signs are there means possibility of a plus b the whole square alone will be there. So just substitute that. Equate, compare it, find a square, find b square, find a from that, b and then write the LHS portion. Second question, 4y square minus 4y plus 1. So here also three term, one is minus and one is plus. So which one will be possibility? A minus b the whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Square term 4y square, it's a perfect square, 1 also is a perfect square. So this is the given identity. So just compare it. A square is equal to 4y square and b square is equal to 1. What is a? square root of 4 is 2. Y square root is y. B square root of 1 is 1. So answer will be a minus b the whole square, that is 2y minus 1 the whole square. Next one, x square minus y square by 100. How many terms are there here? Only 2 terms. So only 2 terms are there means which identity you can use? Obviously a plus b into a minus b. This is the only identity which have 2 terms, that is a square minus b square. So here only 2 terms, here also 2 terms. Compare it. X square is equal to a square and y square by 100 is equal to b square. So from that a and b you should find. What is a? A equals square root of x square, it is x. What is b? Square root of this full y square by 100. Square root of y square is y. Square root of 100 is 10. 10 tens are 100. So a and b if you get means you come back to the identity a plus b into a minus b, you should write x plus y by 10 into x minus y by 10. This is the answer. So from RHS you have found LHS also. All these things you have learned, this is only recollecting your memory. So next class we will learn the new things which this year you have to learn. These all just recalling. Last year whatever you have learned, everything has come here. So now some few homework sums I will give. So homework sums, factorization. Factorization, x square plus 9x plus 18. Simple factorization only. Here see, sum is positive 9 and product is 18 into 1. Here it is 1. So that you have to see, here number is not there, so 1 you have to take. Product is 18. Here also 1 only, so product will be minus 24. Minus 24 into 1, minus 24. Sum is positive 5. Here you have to multiply it and write. This also multiply it and write. So factorize it, resolve into factors. Next one, use identities and find the product. Which identity you have to use, you should write and then solve it. Evaluate. This also identity you should use and solve it. So these all revision sums only. So do it in your homework book, and whatever sums we have done in the video you have to complete in classwork. So classwork also you have to complete. Homework, these sums you have to do it in homework book. Thank you children.